Hey everyone, it's Adrian here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to make money online without selling anything. So let's get on with today's video. In today's video we'll be talking about this system here. It's called the One Lead System Pixel system, and it's in conjunction with the Traffic Domination Facebook group. So let you log in and we'll show you around the system in a moment. Let me just log in and then we'll move over to Facebook. What you get with this system, guys, you get a system with a ton of training. And let me just come over to my Facebook first. I'll show you guys that have made money on this system. There's a recent commission, $16, and I'll come down a bit further on my own timeline. You will see here this is a payment from OLSLP, 99 pipelines, sent you $239.95. But if I come off of that and come over to the group here, this is the Traffic Domination group. This is where you'll get all your training and then you'll get your OLSP system. With this training, guys, you can see you've got 74,900 members. It's a private group, so it's invitation only. So like I said, there'll be a link in the description to this Facebook group. And this group is run by this gentleman here, Wayne Crow, an expert in the industry of affiliate marketing, network marketing, MLM. You can see here loads of people having great success with this system. $133 here, $54.90. All you do, guys, is come into this system, implement what you're learning with these training units I'll be showing you in a second. Gary Braun here, congratulations, $896. Here's another one. Jeremy George, this system works, let's keep it going. $18. February 21st to the 6th of March. You can go down again, there's all these. There's Dan Mahidi Jr., $209.80. This is all payment proof, guys, from people inside the system having great success. I've not been in the system that long myself. Here's Gary Braun again. Congratulations, $2,412.23. If I come down, all these videos from Wayne, guys, are your training units, which I'll show you in a minute. Here's Prakash Shah, $24.95. Scroll down again. Here's another one, $18, Med Basima. Here's another one, guys, 99 pipelines from Ron W. Bennett, $137.50. But if I come away from that, guys, and take you back over to what the system is, this is what the system looks like in your back office. You can see up in the left-hand corner here, you've got Traffic Domination. This is what your back office will look like. And this is where your training units are. This is the first thing you do when you come into the system is click this. This is your getting started video. So you watch this video. When you watch this video, it will tell you to come over to the training units, and you go through these training units one at a time, and then tick the box when you're done and close the box off. Unit 2, there's a lot of videos here. Why OLSP is the best system to get started with. How to create your OLSP account. The mega link, that's your affiliate link, and then getting started with and finding your mega link. And then video 5 is One Lead System Pixel Leaderboard Tour and Points Explained. Then it's Meet Your Team, Mentoring and Support, OLSP Training Units, Products Over, Traffic Domination Products Overview. You go through these videos, guys, implement what you learn in this training, this unit training here. You've got Warrior Plus training in here. I'm not sure what one it is. Here it is, Unit 5. Training how to sell products on Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus training. You've got Google Ads training somewhere here. I'm not sure where it is. Is it Unit 7? No, list building training you got there. All these training units, guys, just implement what you learn inside this system and you'll go very, very far. And a simple way to make money online without having to sell. Because Wayne and his team do all the selling on his products, on his Traffic Domination products inside the Facebook group. So they do all the selling for you. All you have to do is bring people into this Facebook group and we will all succeed. So I hope you got some value from that video today, guys. If you did, smash a like on the video, share the content around and subscribe to the channel. A link will be in the description to the Traffic Domination OLSP system. So I hope to see you on the inside. I will be your sponsor. And take care, guys. Thanks for watching. See you all soon.